Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a farmhouse style keepsake advent calendar DIY for you that helps to keep the focus on the reason for the season. If this sounds like something that interests you, then stay tuned to my channel. What I did was I took a cookie sheet from the Dollar Tree, only $1, and I used this metal primer to spray both sides of the cookie sheet. You want to spray it in a well-ventilated area, let each side dry, and then you'll have a good base coat. The next thing I did was I took some inexpensive white acrylic paint. You can get this anywhere at craft stores or at Walmart, and I painted both sides of the cookie sheet. The next thing I did was I just used my own handwriting and I decided what title I wanted. In this case, I wanted the word Advent. I wrote it on a piece of paper and I put it in the right where I wanted it in the center of the cookie sheet. And now I'm marking that place so that I'll know where to start writing on the cookie sheet itself. So the next thing I did was I did one little practice of my word Advent, and then I went ahead and wrote it on the cookie sheet. I also used a Christmas tree style to write my numbers in because after trying a couple different things on a separate piece of paper, I just found that that was the best way for me to space my numbers correctly. So now I'm taking my foam paintbrush and my black acrylic paint and I'm giving it that chippy enamel look that you see so much in the farmhouse style. The great thing about this is that it's very forgiving. I've never done this before and I'm still pretty happy with the way it turned out. It really wasn't hard to do at all. The next thing that I did was I went into Microsoft Publisher and I made a file of Christmas verses and prophecies of Christ in the Old Testament, as well as some blank spaces to write messages on. I do have a link to that below in the description. That's a free printable for you if you would like it. You're going to cut these out and you're going to wrap it around candy of your choice. In my case, I chose the chocolates. You could enlist the help of your family with this. You could all write different messages to each other, and it could be a fun project for everybody to do. I did mine on my own, but it's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. The main thing is to remember you have enough candy for everybody for 25 days. So that you just want to make sure you don't run out of candy before Christmas arrives. Here I am writing my messages and I'm just going to put them in my glass canister right here. So here is my finished advent calendar DIY. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I can't wait to use it for the Christmas season. A couple things I want to point out. The ribbon and the wreath came from Hobby Lobby. The ribbon was from the fall section, and the wreath is in their My Little Christmas section. Anyways, the finishing touch for this advent calendar is to put a magnet on it to count the days down. I got this off of Amazon, pretty cheap. And there is my DIY advent calendar. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas season. Thank you for watching.